Tile roof. Introduction. This tile roof in the south of Pretoria experienced huge damages because water was seeping in through the tiles, causing the wooden structure, rafters, purlins and battens, to rot and therefore fail. It meant that the tiles could not be held up and started to sag. Description. Water, the biggest cause, after damage from termite and carpenter bees, insect attack, of rotting wood of your roof structure. Here it was not different. Water seeped in between tiles because the lack of waterproofing material prevented it from happening. The rafters and purlins were totally damaged in some places, so much so that the initial consultation report suggested a total replacement of the structure, only keeping rafters that were unaffected. Something that the owner could not afford. Problem, situation. Here we have a situation where the origination roofer cut on costs by not installing the prescribed insulation between the roof structure and the tiles by safe into. At best, insulation usage under roof sheeting is recognized by roofers as a whole. Now, as a result of no insulation used under the roof sheeting, water had the chance to enter the roof and damage the structure. Possible outcome. The roof structure is compromised because of water damage. At best, the roof might withstand the downforce caused by the tiles for another month or two. Then the roof will sag even more, allowing even more water to enter. Now we are compromising ceilings and electrical connection.